Journey of monitoring and control. Monitoring and control is the 25% of PMP exam. Almost 50 questions will come in the PMP exam that are related to the monitoring and control. What we will do in monitoring and control, we will compare approved project management plan with the work we have done. Plan versus actual. And when we will compare plan versus actual, what we will get? We will get variances. We will get variances. Variances is a different type. When we will compare plan versus actual and we will get positive, it's mean we are ahead of plan. It's mean we are doing good. And when we will compare plan versus actual and we will get negative, it's mean we are behind plan and we are doing something bad. And when we will compare plan versus actual and we will get 0, it's mean we are on plan. And variance is a different type. Variance can be a schedule variance. Schedule variance is equal to earned value minus plan value, or schedule performance index is equal to earned value divided by plan value. A variance can be a cost variance. Cost variance is equal to earned value minus actual cost, or cost performance index is equal to earned value divided by actual cost. And when we will get a variance, we will do a root cause analysis. We will do cost benefit analysis, or we will do a root cause analysis. We will go to the bottom of the problem, why this problem has occurred. And we will do the alternate analysis. We will check which option to follow. We will follow a best option. Why we will do, why when we get a variance, we are basically checking the performance of the project. We are measuring performance of the project, and when we will get a variance in negative, we will raise a change request. All monitoring and control process will generate the change request, and these change requests will go to the one process, and that is integrated change control process, and they will do the detailed impact analysis, and then they will accept or reject. If they will accept, then if they will approve the change request, and later change request will go to the direct and manual for implementation. And we will also check the deliverable. We will also inspect the deliverable. In quality control, here quality team will inspect the deliverable. If deliverable is okay, we will get verified deliverable, and this verified deliverable will go to the validate scope, and here client has to inspect the deliverable, and later we will get a validate deliverable and it will go to the closing. And we will also monitor the risk here. We will also monitor the risk. We will check residual risk, we will check secondary risk, and we will check the effectiveness of the risk responses, and we will also getting a lesson learned here. We will getting a new lesson learned, and we are combining with the old lesson learned, and we are putting in the lesson learned register, and later it will go to the lesson learned repository, and we will use in the future project, and we will use in the future project. And journey of work performance data will come to the validate scope to the stakeholder input of stakeholder. We will get uh, work performance information, and then later it will go to the integration of monitoring and control. We will get work performance report, and we will do all these things in the monitoring and control process. You need to you need to remember these things to pass the PMP exam. exam, first you, you will check the variances, then do the root cause, then check the deliverable, then monitor the risk, then getting the lesson learned, maintaining the lesson learned, and also when we are checking the risk, if risk has occurred, it does not remain risk, it is a issue. We need to review the issue log, we need to manage the issue log, we need to update the issue log, we combine the lesson learned and all these things. This is all about monitoring and control. You will, I am, I have more than 25 years of experience as a project management consultant in at different projects in different countries, and there is three domain for PMP exam. First one is business environment, and that is the 8% of exam, and I have some mocks for business environment. And second is a people domain, and that is the 42% of exam, and I have 5 mocks for people domain, 3 mocks each containing 60 question, and 2 mocks each containing 180 question. And then process domain, that is the 50% of exam, and for that I have 5 mocks. First 3 mocks each containing 63 question, and second 2 mocks each containing 180 question. If you will get a training from me and you will do all these mocks and you will get the marks more than 80%, then I am quite sure you will be able to clear the PMP within first attempt. And for that purpose I have two programs. First one is one-on-one session, and it should be customized according to your requirement. And second is batch session, and the fee for both session is comparatively very less, and the result of both session is very excellent. So you can join any one session, and do hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel if I will upload a new video in the future, and then you will watch those videos to learn more about PMP, to clear the PMP within minimum possible time. So see you there in any one program. Bye bye, take care and live with passion.